life at Port really for show. Nigerians are all on the street jubilating for the victory over South Africa. Sir, what do you have to say about the match?
As you can see, I'm very much happy because this victory is telling us that we are moving forward in this country. This victory is going to bring peace and unity in this country. All that the youth are celebrating this, we are happy. We are, in fact, I don't even know what to say. But shout out to Nigeria. Nigeria remains my country and is going to win the AFCON. Thank you very much.
Nigerians are all over the street. Nigerians are jubilating over the victory.
Football they play us tonight. We see Nigeria, they try their best on the game. I very appreciate based on the work they work harder. The match just look like final match today. So I don't think today is one of the past glory we see for long. Today is one of the past glory we see for long.
Alright, thank you very much. We are live at Rumushakara Show by Port Harcourt. We are very happy that Nigeria is leading the day, that Nigeria lead the day against South Africa. Thanks so very much. If you like this video, do well to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.